everyone. My name is Divya Mary. I am from LB Nagar. Now I am pursuing data science first year at Jagadgiri Gutta. Now I am explaining about non-verbal communication and body language. Introduction. Non-verbal communication means communication without speaking or transmission of messages or signals through non-verbal total from such as eye contact, facial expressions and gesture, posture and distance between two persons. Important element of non-verbal communication. First one, eye contact. It is the most direct way to transmit range of emotion. We can convey trust, happiness, anxiety, fear, etc. through eye contact. If we can't make eye contact to listener, it may not be create interest to listener. May not be continue the communication. Clothing. If conveys personality of background and financial status and how others will responding to us. It demonstrates the cultural mood and level of confidence, authority, etc. Gesture. Gesture may be made with hand, arms or body and movement of the hand, face and eyes. Hand way used for hello and goodbye, and nodding with smiling indicates interesting or showing some interest to others. One, distance. Everyone should maintain appropriate distance when we communication with someone. Stand too close or too far make uncomfortable and it may believe that we are not interested to in communication. Fifth one, posture. How can we sitting and standing can shows our confidence and professionalism, etc. Standing state give impression of our strength and energy. Thank you for giving this opportunity.